She's out of fuel too. So that's my new, well, fresh 46 build. Just got the new studs in for it, so was able to get it all put back together, running right. No longer have a leak. That's why I had it all built up and it was running all right, but I thought there was a little bit of an air leak, so I decided to go ahead and tear it back apart and see what was happening. I think it was the fuel line, because I put one of the new OEM green fuel lines in it and it's working fine. But anyway, slapped her back together today and she's running great. So now I've got two absolute workhorse saws for under $300 each and a little bit of elbow grease. So not too bad of a deal in my opinion.